How was your trip today?
It's good.
First time in Japan. How was the experience?
Really good. Really good, why not?
Say something else. This is Tony, a friend whom I have known for more than 10 years.
So we are just taking a stroll around Tokyo.
I first met Tony more than 10 years ago in Fiji when we were studying together.
So this is my friend and we are having...
And I was supposed to say, we are having dinner right now.
But the cafe is the penis already.
That was a local joke. I say that the food is already finished when I pull out my camera.
Actually we finished everything and now means everything is finished.
So earlier today,
I'm going to Haneda airport to meet my friend. So come with me.
So Tony is arriving in Japan today for the first time as a student. He'll be stopping briefly in Tokyo, where I'm currently living, and tomorrow he is scheduled to travel by the Shinkansen to Nagoya city, where he will be studying. So being the coolest friend I am, I decided to go and wait for him at the airport. So this is me at Haneda airport, waiting for Tony. And because of a dead battery, I couldn't able to record everything after this until we got home. This is us later on in the evening after having dinner at Domino's.
This is Odaiba and I'm taking this human being here from Miss Solomon.
Yeah, so... Tokyo is very huge.
We actually left Haneda after 5 p.m. and by the time we got to Odaiba in Tokyo, it's already dark. But we spent a few hours walking around beautiful Odaiba. We decided to check out this binocular overlooking the Tokyo Bay.
Documenting too?
And darkness me, I couldn't see anything behind the camera.
Darkness siya man, take video na dark man. Muuzi. Darkness na. So come here.
Man, but people still work at the office.
Yeah, they are still working. But waka go 10 o'clock. Just go back house.
They're still working there in the office. Or the construction or what? Engineers or they're still checking the railways and the road.
Welcome.
Tony actually spent the night here at my place. And today, I'm going to assist him to get on the Shinkansen to Nagoya. But that's all happening after breakfast.
This is everything that he brought from Honiara. He brought some tuna. Man, the famous salt tuna. Chili. And that's him right there. So we are on our way to Shinagawa. And that is the cow print.
So Tony, how do you like Japan so far?
The environment is really good. Right. People here, they are like very busy and I would say they are like workaholic. It's just my first day, but I can see that they are really hard working.
Do you think you are going to enjoy your stay in Japan?
Oh, really, I think I would really enjoy. So far, so good. They are really kind, very helpful. When I ask questions about the direction and where to go, they're really helpful. So yeah, I think the first few hours here it's good.
It's very good. And so we are getting our tickets here. Okay. So I'm going to ask him to try and get his own ticket.
And look at me, patiently waiting on Tony to get his own ticket. Do you think I look like a good teacher? Well, I think so. How about Tony? Does he look like a good student?
Oh no.
I think he's a very unserious student. A very comical one, I guess. Look at him right here.
So that's your ticket?
This is the ticket.
Okay.
This is my change.
You are an expert already.
Yes. I think I need a pizza again.
Go to Nagoya and buy your own pizza. Jokes aside, we are on our way to Shinagawa Station.
Yeah, so we are going to one of the central main train station. From there, then we're gonna take another train to.
So this is an automatic train and it doesn't have a driver.
Yeah, you should have told me that already before we come up here.
Oh, so the train is coming right there. This is our train.
So we are on our way now to Roba, Shimbashi.
Yes. This is him looking at like how to navigate.
Yeah, I think I'll be lost.
He's very embarrassed. Embarrassed though. He's very worried. Really too, embarrassed. Yeah. Are you worried of getting into the bullet train?
A little scared, a little worried.
How do you feel? I feel very well.
Well, as usual, this is my first time too.
Hey, you have to be confident.
Also, like traveling the bullet train. The train shoots like bullets.
So one bullet will be traveling on the bullet train. One bullet is traveling on the bullet train today.
Yeah. So this is my Google Map
Your
direction.
route, right?
So now I'm at the Shinagawa station. I'll be boarding the bullet train on platform 24. Yeah, it's like downstairs underwater. Then I'll go to Nagoya station.
So you are a piece, yeah?
Yeah, me at fish, yeah.
You are a piece in the sea. And this is the bit that I really love.
Like, the internet is not working.
This guy.
I have a backup plan, See, when you arrive in Shinkansen, you will arrive at JR Line. So now we are arrived already in here via JR Line. Is it?
You has come it. You has arrived.
I'm arrived. Yeah, so this is my backup plan.
So the struggle begins together. Finally, it's time for him to leave. Let's hope he doesn't get lost. Oh yeah, man. Yes. Okay, brother. Till next time, my brother. Sayonara and Bongiliana. Yes. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next one.